kids, and welcome back to KidBits. Today we're going to take a look at the event section. These are commands that trigger all the other commands. So let's not waste any time and let's dig in. So here we are back in our editor, and as you can see, I prepared a few things. Like we have a bet, and you will see what are we going to use that for. But just like the other times, we're going to start at the very top. So this is our first command, which is when flag clicked, then do something. In our case, say hello. So when we trigger this, the cat will say hello. Okay. Our next one is when space key pressed, or also any other key on your keyboard. Basically, you can select it. And if we put that underneath here and we press the space bar, the cat will say hello again. All right, let's move to the next one, which is when this sprite clicked. So that's it does exactly what it says. When we click the cat, it will say hello. All right, so our next one is when backdrop switches to a particular backdrop. In this case, Night City. So I put this again here, and now I have my little command here which switches to the next backdrop. So when I click this, as you can see, the cat says hello again whenever it switches to Night City. All right, then we got all these commands down. Next one will be when loudness is greater than 10. So the moment if I connect this to this command, you will see that the backdrops will switch back and forth. That's because it's going to pick up my voice through the microphone in my laptop. So let's connect it and see how this works. So whenever I go above 10, it will switch the backdrop, and the cat keeps on saying hello because obviously the backdrop is switching back and forth, and so the hello is triggered as well. So let's throw this away, and as you can see, that is what this command is for, to pick up noise in order to do something. In our case, switching the backdrop. Okay, let's disconnect that and go to the next command. For that, we're gonna switch to the bat real quick because I prepared a little something. As you can see here, we have the command when I receive message, say hello for 5 seconds. All right, now we go back to the cat because the cat is actually going to send a message to the bat. And here we have two different commands. One says broadcast message and wait, and the other one says broadcast message. Both will trigger the same command. Basically, it will trigger the bat's hello, but then at the same time, it will also go to a random position. The only difference is with and wait, it will wait for the bat to finish and then go to random position, and the other command will basically do it simultaneously. So let's trigger this one and wait for the bat to finish, and let's check out the cat. As you can see, after the bat was finished, the cat moved. Okay, let's try the other one. As you can see, the cat didn't wait, it just moved immediately. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time at KidBits.